It's Melissa from melissa@home.com. So before I begin, I wanted to send my condolences and mention the current devastation that's happened in Texas in regards to Hurricane Harvey. If you're not aware of what's been going on, you can simply Google Hurricane Harvey and you'll see tons of articles and photos showing what has occurred. And it's a terrible situation, and individuals are currently trying to recover from the storm. People have lost their homes, they have lost friends and family members. So I know a lot of my viewers are from Texas, so I just want to send you my condolences, and my heart goes out to you. I'm sending my thoughts and my prayers are going out to you guys. And if you're someone who are looking to donate and help out, and there are various charities that are out there, you have to be careful because there are scammers out there that will take advantage of this situation, unfortunately. But I posted a link to a website in which will help you to search for legit charities, and you can go through these different charities, and whatever you feel comfortable with, whatever charity you feel comfortable with, you can go ahead and donate to those charities directly to those who have suffered from the devastation of Hurricane Harvey. It can happen to anyone at any point in time, and as human beings, we need to help each other out and be there for each other and support each other in any way we can. So I highly recommend that you guys check out the link to look up those charities if you are moved into giving monetarily, or if you are someone who can reach out and maybe even visit Texas in those areas and lend a helping hand. That's even that will be awesome as well. So that's basically all I wanted to say in regards to that, and I'm just going to get started with the topic of this video. So this is for those who have requested different apps in which they can use via their mobile device to earn some extra money, quick, easy money. So I'm definitely going to be sharing that with you in this video. So the first app that I would like to share with you guys is Gigwalker. And Gigwalker basically will allow you to earn extra cash for doing various tasks. You're taking photos, doing surveys, doing mystery shopping, and so forth. Depending on the task, you can earn between $600 to $200 per task with Gigwalker. Another app that you may want to consider is Ibotta. If you're someone who likes to grocery shop, go grocery shopping. Who doesn't like to go grocery shopping? I mean, we all need food. So Ibotta allows you to scan receipts, take pictures of your receipts, and get you can submit those receipts for cash backs like rebates and so forth, so you get money back for shopping. There's plenty of apps that's similar to Ibotta. Another one is called Receipt Hog, and I'll post a link to Receipt Hog as well. So check out those apps if you are someone who likes to grocery shop and you would like to get your money back. They pay via PayPal, I believe, and you get paid within 48 hours. Okay, another app that you may want to look into, it's similar to Gigwalker, is Field Agent, and they pay via PayPal. They pay $3 to $12 per task that you get, and you can always, when you download the app, you will get different tasks that they may want you to do. Maybe take photos of something, maybe do a little mystery shopping, maybe give your opinion on items or services and so forth. And by doing these tasks, you earn some cash. So again, you can earn between $3 to $12 per task with Field Agent. Another app that you may want to consider is Easy Shift, which is similar again to Gigwalker and Field Agent. You can do various tasks, take photos again, do surveys, give your opinions and so forth, and you get paid for that, and you get paid within 48 hours of submitting your task, and it pays via PayPal. Another app that you may want to consider is Shopkick. Shopkick allows you to scan merchandise like at JCPenney's, Macy's, and so forth, and you earn points that you can use to redeem for gift cards, as well as to shop for more merchandises. So check out Shopkick. Another app that you may want to look into is Moocash. Moocash allows you to play fun, easy games, do daily tasks, do surveys, and just various fun things that you could do with Mucash. I actually had a family member who mentioned it to me, and they were having so much fun with it on their phone and showing me how much they've earned with it. And you know, it wasn't a lot of money. It was like maybe like $10 they earned, and they were like, oh my gosh, I just made $10. I'm going to cash out my PayPal. So you know, it's always exciting to earn some additional cash. Okay, so definitely check out Mucash, and I'll leave a code that will help you guys to sign up with Mucash that you can use, and it will help you to easily access the different tasks to earn daily points, which you can redeem into cash, and you can cash out via PayPal as well. Okay, so those are just 6 of mobile apps that you can use to earn additional income, extra cash on the side with your mobile device. There's tons of them out there. There's apps to sell items that you have in your home. There's apps to do so many different things. There's an app called Swagbucks Local that you can check out as well with Swagbucks. Yeah, there's tons of them. So I listed I think at least 26 apps, and 26 of those apps include the apps that I just mentioned in this video. So you can check out my article in the link below of some other apps that you may want to look into to earn some extra cash, easy money on the side using your mobile device again. Thank you guys so much for subscribing, and I'll see you guys next time. Take care. Bye.